Hello, I'm Sneha. Directions: read the following data and answer the questions given below it. 6 games are to be organized from Monday to Saturday, September 18 to September 23, one game each day. There are 2 games between hockey and cricket and 1 game between badminton and hockey. There is 1 game between football and boxing and is to be organized before football. Tennis is to be organized before badminton and not necessarily by immediately. Tennis is not the first game. Let us try to convert the data into a line diagram as shown below. Since there are 2 games between hockey and cricket and 1 game between badminton and hockey. So we can show it as 2 games are going to be between hockey and cricket and 1 game is going to be between badminton and hockey. Also, there is 1 game between football and boxing. So, 1 game is to be there between football and boxing. Also, it is to be organized before football, which means the order is going to be not this way, but boxing has to be organized before football and 1 game has to be between them. Next we have tennis is to be organized before badminton but not necessarily by immediately, which means that tennis is going to be before badminton but not necessarily immediately. Now we can place all these games as shown. Since it is also given to us that tennis is not the first game, which means that the first game which can come is cricket. So the first game is cricket. It can have 2 games in between and then there is a hockey. So the 2 games can be, the second game can be tennis just after cricket and the third game can be boxing. And we can see that between boxing and football we have hockey. So this game is done. Similarly, the first game is also done and tennis has also been taken. Now we need to place badminton and hockey. Since 1 game has to be there between badminton and hockey, so we can have the last game as badminton. And we can see that between hockey and badminton we have a football. So we can see that all the games have been placed in the order. First game is going to be cricket, which is going to be played on 18th of September. Then we have on 19th tennis, 20th we have boxing, 21st we have hockey, 22nd we have a football and on 23rd we have badminton. So the order is there in front of you. Now let us try to answer the question. The question is, which will be the last game? As we can see from the order that the last game going to be played is badminton on 23rd. So the correct answer for this question is option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Sneha. Directions: read the following data and answer the questions given below it. The question is, the first game will be. The solution is, as we have seen in the first part, the complete information given to us can be converted into a line diagram and the order of the games to be organized from Monday to Saturday is going to be as shown below. With the help of this order we can answer our question. The question is, the first game will be, as we can see that the first game which is going to be played on 18th of September is cricket. So the correct answer for this question is option number 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Sneha. Directions: read the following data and answer the questions given below it. The question is, when is boxing organized? The solution is, as we have seen in the first part, the given information can be converted into a line diagram as shown below. With the help of this order, we can find the answer of our question. The question was, when is boxing organized? As we can see from the given information that boxing is going to be organized on 20th of September. So, the correct answer for this question is option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.